Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in this video I am going to show you if you install any app from App Store, then you will show like this: cannot download. This app is not compatible with your device. You will see like this, then why this is showing in your device. So in this video I will tell you why this pop-up shows in your device. So watch this video till end. If you skip this video, then you will not understand very well. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and select all to get all notification. So why this shows like this? This is because your device is an older version, and guys, you cannot download this application because of older version which you are on. Your phone is a very old version, so that's why you are showing like this. So if you install this app from Google Chrome or any browser, then this app will not work because this is not suitable for you, because your app store and gives you a suitable apps to your phone. So don't install this application. If you install, then this will not work. If you want to install this application, then you have to update your iPhone. So your iOS version should be updated so you can download this application. If any problem, then comment below. I will try to solve this. So I hope this video is workful for you. If you like this video, then please hit like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.